Hi, Joy. It's really a pleasure to have you here with us. And I see you brought some goodies with you, and perhaps you can tell us about what this is all about, what it's called, where its origin is from, and how it's being used.
This is called a Shruti box. It's from India, made in India, and it puts out a drone. It's similar to a harmonium. A lot of people might know about the harmonium. You see that in kirtan concerts and whatnot. But the harmonium has a keyboard that you play, and this one just has... You set it to a particular tone or a drone, and it stays on this drone, and we use it to chant and tone and do mantras, healing mantras, and simply and follow the breath with breathing in the deepest breath I can possibly breathe in. And follow the entire breath out with the ah. It's a great practice for meditation and presence and following the breath and trying to melt in and blend with the instrument, becoming one with the vibrations of this instrument from India called a Shruti box. Bam ho. Shude, shude. Ram ho. Shude, shude. Lam ho. Shude, shude. Eyam bam ram lam. Shude. Shodanaye. Svaha. I just spontaneously went into that. That's the Tibetan purification mantra from the Bon tradition, which was even before Buddhism came to Tibet, as taught in the Western world by Tenzin Wangyal Rinpoche. So thank you for that. And it purifies all the elements in your body and in the entire universe, with A being space, or ether, and Yam being air, Bam water, Ram fire, Lam earth. And it's a very ancient practice that they have been doing in Tibet for years. It actually brings a lot of heat to the body. I'm hotter now, and they used it to keep warm up on the plateaus, and it purifies all the elements And then they have all the bases covered. They say in the present moment, all the way to the past as far as time goes back, and all the way to the future as far as time goes forward.